Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Harley-Davidson Sportster NIGHTSTER with only 1,759 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a Frankenstein TRIKE kit, Mustang seat, Vance & Hines exhaust, handlebars, grips, aftermarket front wheel, rider foot pegs, shifter peg, and Arlen Ness primary cover. The NIGHTSTER is a brawny, stripped-down cruiser that focuses on the ride and doesn't worry about unnecessary frills. Powered by a 1200cc V-twin motor, the NIGHTSTER puts 79 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 545 pounds and has a 26.3-inch seat height. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this NIGHTSTER will need a new belt guard and belt guard mounts, and an exhaust that is within the state decibel limits. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.